That was, don't know where I unbolted that from. Oh, off the side, wasn't it? I don't know. Is that on right?
Yeah. No, the nipple for the EP unit. No, I didn't take that off. I took the ones. I took the restrictors off for the pipes.
Here we see James and Steve refitting the ECU unit.
Nuts, are these only nuts? Once I've used the wrong nuts on the fucking... I've used the wrong nuts on the thing, that's why it won't go on. Yeah, what's it? What did I use the nuts for? I've always used them for me.
Fuck
What
do
did I
I
use
know?
the nuts for?
Well, it can't be that. You can't use nuts on anything else.
Oh, I don't know, the only nuts I've got in here, they won't go on. Those fucking fills used are fucking dodgy, the nuts won't go on. I've only got...
Flat.
Yeah.
It should rock.
Right.
And this is fucking rocking. That's what made me say something don't feel right.
The spring washers, I think, off here. Oh yeah, I think they were. What was that? No, they're too small. Must be these big ones. Right, they must be off there. Shit. What are you up to, Steve? What do you need next?
Well, no, I'm just waiting because I'm going to put the compressor up, aren't I?
Yeah, do you want to go and check? Oh yeah, do you want to go and check the other for the stud, the other box for the stud?
Yeah. I'm trying to get. We need that nipple.
Nipple, yeah, I'll go take the nipple. Yeah, I forgot about that. It had the EP nipple, didn't it? Go and take it off.
Here we see Steve putting the compressor back on.
Yeah, it's got two studs, Steve. The top ones are, yeah, there's that restrictor for that.
All right. Right, so.
Yeah. They're probably them, mate. How we're going to get them out?
Well, I can, same principles I used on the big ones.
Yeah, I mean that, if you had a bolt, you could put a bolt in, you could use a nut and bolt on that, and you just actually need a bolt for that, or you'll have to take them out of that one. The only problem is you're going to have hassle trying to get the stud on that, because the top of this.
Do you know I could pry that from under here?
Could you?
Yeah. Yeah, I could pry that across from under here. I've just seen the thing to do it on. Well, I've got this bottom one up hand tight. Go up too tight there, because it ain't gonna fucking do that.
No, because we need to tension it.
Yeah. Yeah, I could pry it from under here.
Oh, wait, okay. So the belts are fairly tight already, aren't they?
Yeah, well, they're not there. Once they're on, you look.
Ah, right, got you.
Fucking me, once they're in their little lips like they're fucking going loose, don't they? Because I'll pick it in, aren't they? You like. Right, well, if you're done with that bit, I'll go and put out the prop shaft.
Yep. Where's that red electrical tape, Steve?
Did I have it down here? Fucking probably.
Oh, yeah, you did the pipe.
Yeah. Oh. How's it? Yeah, time was fucking absolute shite. You know, I used to like that route, it was funny.
Was it?
Oh yeah.
Was there any routes that you didn't like?
Yeah. I can't remember none of the fucking one that went into London. Went all round Swiss Cottage. I fucking hate London. Everybody goes, well, how can you hate London? Why not? You know, all your family are East End. Don't give a fuck. I don't like London. I think it's a shithole.
Yeah, pretty
Fucking
much.
difficult not driving around it.
No.
Broken down taxi. Have you got a reg? No. So I'm looking for a black cab down Oxford Street. It's broken down. That should be fun.
Yeah, black cab down Oxford Street. Yeah, gives a clue.
Yeah. I mean, as it wasn't. It was easy to find.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he had his fucking front wheel collapsed and he was across the fucking light. So, yeah, that was easy. Black cab drivers piss me off anyway. Wouldn't give us the time of fucking day until they break down.
Well, the majority of that I didn't get, but
Yeah, it's going to take a lot of rolling up before.
should film Steve's Routemaster Rage.
Oh, where's that? I need a
That'll
rag.
be a hitting all in one.
Need a rag. 20 past on me, I've only got a prop shaft to go and a couple of pints to go.
That's it.
You got it in?
So I might go and grab my jacket as well.
Yeah.
The drive shaft is now in the bus.
Pecking the bus chicken.
The drive shaft is now connected to the gearbox.
Yeah, yeah.
Gearbox oil's not leaking out anymore, Steve, no?
No, it's fucking stopped fuck. Yeah, what the fuck was doing all of it? Fucking how come I got a leak?
No, that's what I thought, oh, get it filled with oil, that's another job.
Yeah.
Otherwise, bloody forget. Put these bolts back, maybe and stick them back together with bloody bit of copper grease.
Do you know, I think I'm gonna fucking eat shitloads of pies and put on loads of weight.
What, so you don't have to go underneath this again?
Yeah, then I won't be able to fit under it. Hey, you can't go anywhere. Get your overalls on. Get under here. No, you don't want to do that. And a little bit more won't hurt then, will it?
Fucking hell. Yeah, I'm gonna have to knock that back out. That is way too tight, that's ridiculous.
I'm guessing the Henry Cross didn't work.
No, I haven't done it, I just thought I'll take the brass piece off the speedo drive itself and I'll just see if it'll tap in, but that is just, yeah, I'm gonna have to really file that down. That bloody tight. Why would you make something that tight? Bad enough in the other box. I suppose that little chisel, if I might knock the chisel into the slot open, the slot out, I might have just got it stuck, haven't I? I may have got it stuck.
I'll get into it.
I fucking hate this bus.
Just can't quite get a far down. You got one, Steve. Must be down there, I think with Yo-Yo's been recording.
Huh?
Yeah, I think Yo-Yo. Where's see if that'll knock it. Watch your fingers, Steve.
Yeah.
Don't end up banging your fingers out. That's it. It's coming.
You put some copper grease on it?
Yeah. Oh. There, she's out.
Just nearly knocked Steve in the head.
Yeah.
Could have knocked him out and then
Yeah,
he'd be
copper
stuck.
grease. It's just fucking tight.